The Enchanted Mask. In a realm where magic was a tightly guarded secret, a skilled artisan named Elena crafted masks that could alter one's appearance and identity. Each mask was unique, infused with a fragment of magic, but she had sworn to use her gift only for good. One day, a mysterious stranger visited her workshop, requesting a mask that could make him invisible to the eyes of the law. Elena was hesitant but intrigued. The stranger, known only as Marcus, was charming and persuasive. He spun tales of injustice, claiming he was wrongfully accused of a crime he didn't commit. Moved by his story, Elena agreed to create the mask, unaware of the true depth of Marcus's intentions. Once the mask was completed, Marcus vanished from sight, leaving Elena both fascinated and concerned. As days passed, she learned that Marcus was not the innocent man he portrayed himself to be. He was a fugitive involved in a series of high-stakes crimes. Torn between her moral compass and the allure of adventure, Elena found herself entangled in Marcus's world of deception and danger. Driven by guilt, she resolved to confront him. During their meeting, she confronted him about his true nature. Marcus revealed his plan to use her masks for a grand heist targeting the royal treasury, aiming to steal a treasure that had been safeguarded for centuries. Realizing the implications of her work, Elena refused to aid him. In a fit of rage, Marcus attempted to force her hand, but Elena's intuition had prepared her for this moment. With a flick of her wrist, she activated the magic within the masks, casting a protective barrier around herself. Marcus, realizing he was outmatched, fled in desperation. The royal guards soon apprehended him, and Elena's name remained untarnished. However, the encounter left her questioning her abilities and the fine line between good and evil. Life lesson: sometimes a good intention can lead to unintended consequences. It's essential to recognize the weight of our choices. English lesson: word of the day, infuse, to fill or soak something with a quality or feeling. Example: Elena infused her masks with magic, giving them unique powers.